Hello, everybody. My name is Ashley Schneider, and today I'm here to show you a couple of the tasks that I performed in my test environment. One of the first tests that I'm going to be conducting is find the academic calendar for the current year of the University of Idaho website and the University of Washington website. First, we're going to start with the University of Idaho, and I did rate this as a 35 out of 35 on 5 7-point scales. So this was a very easy task to complete. And on the University of Idaho website, all you have to do is go to the events task on the homepage main bar at the top of the screen. And if you just go to the left-hand side, it states academic calendar along with a couple other events and drop-down menus. But if you just click on there, it gives you the months at the top of the screen and a list of everything that is going on in the current year, month, week, and down to the day. So yeah, it's very easy to find. The usability of finding the academic calendar for the current year on the University of Washington website was also a 35 out of 35 on a 5 7-point scale. It was very easy, and it's almost identical to the University of Idaho website. All you want to go is to the academics drop-down menu at the top of the website in the bar, and the first option will be the academic calendar. And once you click that, it will show you the month and the days that events are going on that are labeled on the academic calendar. The second task that I'm going to be talking about is finding the schedule of the athletic events for the current month, which was also very easy on both websites. They were 35 out of 35 on a 5 7-point scale. To start out, the University of Idaho website, the schedule of the athletic events for the current month was located under the Athletics tab at the bar at the top of the main website, and you just click on that. And if you just scroll down, it shows you May, our current month, and the events that are coming up. So it was very easy. Now we move to the University of Washington website, and this one again is very similar and got a 35 out of 35 on 5 7-point scales. This is also located under it is at the athletics tab on the bar, not at the top of the screen, but about midway on the screen. And if you just click that, it is a little slow to load, but it will bring you to the athletics page, where if you just scroll down a little bit, it'll show you the current games, their date and time. So yeah,